guys, let me introduce you the surgical kit. I really love this kit from Mono Implants. It's a very extensive kit. So this is the surgical kit which we are providing. If you see the beauty of arrangement, all the drills are arranged to 2.5, 3, 3.5. They are coming color coded, yellow, black, red, white and so on. And also they are available in two sizes with a stopper. The stopper, I would say, is very important. People who are operating will understand. And they are coming in two sizes of 20 mm, 30 mm. Each of the drill has the marking. If you see here, can you see the marking? So in case during the procedure this marking corresponds to the length of the implants, which is 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 23, 26 and so on. So in case while drilling also you are confused, you can always keep it on the scale given here. Okay. And the beauty of this drill is, if you see, there is a dent over here. And this corresponds to the 14 millimeter mark. So even when you're drilling at the high speed, and the beauty of these drills are there is a dent at the 14 mm mark. So even when you're drilling at the high speed, if you miss the marking, at least you know that whether you're less than 14 or more than 14. So this is one beautiful thing I find only in the drills of Mono Implants. They are very sharp, they keep going on and on. I mean, if you see my kit, it must be more than 2 years old. I have not changed any drill. There's an advanced torque ratchet which comes with the drill. So most companies, they provide the basic torque ratchet. But if you see here, the Mono Implant, the Switzerland company, it provides the advanced torque ratchet. So this is another unique thing. This is the most wonderful part, I would say, in the kit. This is the bone spreader, specially for preparing your osteotomy beds for the KOS implants. They are available again as a long and short one, and all the sizes are available: 3, 3.2, 3.7, 4.1 and 4.9. The drivers are available for the large head implant abutment and the short head or the small head implant abutment. But look at this thing. It's such a wonderful driver. Really love this driver. It's for the less mouth opening and inaccessible areas. I don't think any other company has this kind of drivers which are so useful for us while operating these small things. The extra short drivers. And you also have the drivers for placing the KOS implants with the machine. So if any one of you is very specific, don't want to touch the KOS implant, you can straight away pick it up from the packaging, and with the driver you can insert it with the motor without touching the implants. And there is a space for the multi-unit and the overdentured implants, which are going to be launched soon in a few months time. Another great thing which comes with the kit is this hand grip. Now this is such a nice hand grip for people who want to just do the tapping with the hand before you start the surgery, for the pterygoid or somewhere you want to explore. It's such a wonderful hand grip which comes, otherwise most companies, they charge separately 4,000-5,000 rupees for the hand grip. But this drill hand grip comes with the kit itself. So if you look at the value for money for this drill, which is with this kit, which is now less than, I would say, 40,000 rupees, depending upon the scheme you're going. They land up anywhere between 35 to 40,000 rupees. You're getting 2 into 4, 8 drills, 10 spreaders, and then maybe around 6-8 drivers, one advanced torque ratchet, got 7,000 rupees and a hand grip. So this is a steal. Basically this is super value for money surgical kit. I have been using this kit for so many years now, and allowing us to do all kinds of cases in one kit. It's an amazing kit.